Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so excited. I get to draw the names for the winners of my 18K giveaway. Thank you all for your patience. It's been, oh my gosh, it's been an insane start to the month, considering we are back in lockdown where I am. I'm in Ontario, so we are restricted to staying at home again, and it's just been difficult. Anyways, I've got a couple projects to share with you, just quick ones that I've been working on. I'll do a flip through of this custom order. And then I also have the this really cute card that I recently finished. I wanted to do something Valentine's Day themed, and I used some items from Digital Collage Club. I actually have a tutorial or how-to on how to make this twist and pop card, but I wanted to show you, a different theme than the one I shared before. I love these little vintage retro Valentine's images from Digital Collage Club, and I wanted to just make a quick one, like as a Valentine's Day themed one. So I did share this on Instagram before, but I just wanted to just quickly show you what it looks like here as well. I thought it was just super cute. I do have coupon codes for Digital Collage Club if you're interested in purchasing anything from Tina's shop. And I will leave those details below, as well as the how-to and tutorial, just in case you haven't seen this one. Okay, my friends, time to let you know who the winners are of my giveaway. So what I'll be doing is I'll leave you with 3 days to contact me. And if I don't hear from someone, then I will do a redraw. Okay, so winner number 1 of my 18K giveaway is, I'm so excited, Anna Milford. Congratulations, Anna. Contact me. I will leave my email links below. Winner number 2, because I was going to select 3, is Brenda Clark. Congratulations, Brenda. And then winner number 3 is, let me grab it here, Art Therapy with Mama Megs, and you get the digitals. So anyways, if you're not sure what you're getting, check out the video that I had below for that I'll link below for my 18K giveaway. Thank you all so much for entering. Remember, when I do have giveaways, that you have to actually watch the video and kind of see what I've asked you to do, because a lot of you just said I want to enter, but you didn't follow through with the instructions. So anyways, congratulations to the winners. You have 3 days to contact me. Stay tuned for my next giveaway. It's coming up very soon. And now I'm just going to quickly flip through this custom order that I made. So this is one of my stationery style of ephemera holders, and she likes the shabby chic kind of vintage style. And this is these are meant to be kind of like ephemera pieces that you can have on your desk, or you can share with a friend. I've made several of these before, and this one she really likes my porch prints, so I added a lot of that to this one. I've got this little mason jar that I've made. I do have a how-to on this as well, which I will link below if you're interested. And it's just loaded with different pieces that you can use. I'm also going to show you the mini little notebook or journal, I guess, that I also previously shared with you, and that's included with this little set that she requested. So you can see here, I just have different little pieces that she can journal on, or write a little note to a friend and send it off. These would be so perfect to send in snail mail as well, or load them up with like your favorite photos and memories of an event. So I really like these because I love how they sit on your desk, and you can just kind of look at all the beautiful pieces that that are in there. And also it's like inspiration pieces, I find, as well. I think my favorite is the appliques, the floral appliques, because I think it just kind of finishes off the look of all these little shabby chic and kind of just really, I don't know, just really vintagey and romantic kind of style. I have tutorials on how to make these types of pockets as well. If you're interested, I will link them below. I always kind of say this for those of you that are new to my channel and haven't really seen what I've made and what I like to create. This little tag has a little charm. I might change the charm before it goes, I'm not sure. And it's just like a little pocket that I made with a repurposed business envelope. So in the next little pocket, we just have another spot to add some more journaling or a little letter. And then I also like to finish the back, just add additional pieces to, you know, to put some things on it. I really like to add as many pockets and tuck spots as I can. I think it's just always fun to have little extra places to, you know, put some secret journaling in, or add some ephemera or little things that you want to remember that you have. So that's what this is for. So the next one, as I mentioned, I'm going to show you is the mini little Flipbook journal notebook. I'm not sure what to call it. I do have a tutorial for that one as well, which I will link in the description box below as always. So you can, you know, make your own. This is again a shabby chic version. It goes with the set that I made for the stationery set, and I really like how this one turned out as well. And as always, if you make anything from the tutorials that I have shared or the how-tos, don't forget to tag me on Instagram or Facebook. And for those of you that have mentioned that you don't have social media, I also have a blog, which I have linked in the description box below, and you can comment there as well. I think you can actually leave some photos as well in the comments, but I'll double check on that. So I wanted to start that blog for those of you that, you know, tell me that you're not on a lot of the social media, but you wanted to communicate with me as well. So I've got that there. So these little flip books, I love them because they have so many little areas that you can tuck things in, again, little pockets and in secret spots, which I really like. So I think this is just one of my favorite ones to make. Super easy. I'm actually starting the playlist on the one-page kind of wonders. I think that's what people are calling them. When you can make something out of one page and not have to do a lot of gluing or anything to it. So I'll definitely start that playlist because I have a few of those projects going as well, and more to come. Let me know if you enjoy those types of projects, and also what else you would want to see on my channel. Let me know what other projects you're interested in, you know, in me sharing with you. And as always, thank you so much for joining me. So that is it for this one. I will see you next time. And again, congratulations to the winners. Keep an eye on my next giveaway coming up very soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, as well as hit that notification bell so you know when I have a video coming. Thanks so much for stopping by.